when I seen the leather.
Hey, what's happening, Stinker Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know we're going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, what's happening, Stinker Heads? We're back with another what? Another unboxing.
And crack them open, see what we working with. Yes, sir.
Well, you should have known this is the Jordan 1 Low Howards.
Right? This is Jordan brand collabing. When I seen the leather, I like that soft leather. How I'm really liking that, and just having it in hand. Hey, this is a nice clean shoe,
Yes,
right?
sir.
I can see me possibly holding off on rocking these, and the reason being is because going into the fall months and then the winter months.
Let's come with an extra set of laces. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? So you can just see the difference in this shoe, just incorporating that blue into there, right? So I'm loving my shoe. What about you, my brother? What you think of this?
So I love those. I love it's it's rare that both of us like the same shoe. And so when both of us got the same shoe, then that speaks volumes right there. Because we don't me and my brother, we don't often agree. He's a high man, I'm a low man, so bam. So whenever we get these together, that's when it's a nice shoe. I plan to give me another pair, so because I plan to rock these right away, because my team is the Houston Texans. So I do plan to rock these right away, and then I'm gonna give me another pair, so in case those mess up, I have another pair to get. And my size right now is going for like 115 on StockX. So if I would purchase that, it'll be a little bit less than retail. So I'm already looking at the prices, waiting until they go down even further, and then I'm gonna pull the trigger. But like my brother said, the leather on this is off the chain. If you love Jordan 1 lows, this is one of the best PEs out there. And we say PE because this is the exact same as the players wear. They're at the Howard University. You will be rocking the same exact shoe and the same exact colorways. And one of the special things that you never hardly see on Jordan 1s is that red check mark right there, which I think is a nice touch. Usually you only see these on SBs. So I think this makes this shoe even more special. Only time will tell if these shoes will go up in value. Me and my brother, we plan to put ours on feet. So we don't really care about the resale right now, but beautiful shoe, beautiful shoe. If you have these, down in the comments, sneakerhead, did you grab you a pair? And if you don't have you a pair, I definitely recommend you to check these out in person and scoop them up. Go to your local resale stores or retailers, because I did hear that shipments did come late. And like I told y'all before, ironically, I guess nobody really wanted these shoes. And the reason why I say that, because I got up late and secured my pair on the Nike sneakers app. We both got ours pretty much, and they were available if you really wanted them. And only thing I wish that the price was a little bit lower. I think sweet spot for this will be 120, but I'm not mad because Jordan did give us these extra laces, like my brother said. We had to scoop these up. We appreciate y'all time. This quick unboxing, detailed unboxing of these, and check out that video right there. That I did a detailed review of these on my shoes. But let us know your thoughts and comments, sneakerheads.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.